Good evening, traders. Good evening, Philippines. Today is, what is it today? Today's Wednesday, February 24th. Before I start, here is the usual disclaimer. So, any comments made during this live stream should not be taken as an order to enter trades, nor should it be considered as trading advice. This live stream is strictly for educational purposes only to illustrate how I trade, the legacy strategy that I teach my students, and any past performance of the legacy strategy is not indicative of future results. I must also emphasize that I am neither a licensed nor professional trading advisor. I am a retail trader, like mostly, if not all, mostly everyone here is. Mostly are retail traders. So let me get that out of the way. In fact, I have a different chart that I'm showing you right now. This is more of the, like I said, more of the macro look of what's going on in the chart or what's going on in the market. As you can see, we're trading in a big zone here. You can see right now, and I've got both the what we call the RTH and the ETH VWAPs, as well as the deviation levels for both. The one you see that just started here, which is this is what you call the RTH VWAP right here in the middle, and on here is the ETH. RTH is regular trading hours, so basically that began at 9:30 Eastern, while the ETH began at 9:30 Eastern, so 10:30 here in the Philippines, while this other one began at 7 a.m. this morning. So that's been going on. So that's basically your level. So I have both of them on here, and you'll see how price reacts to each of these different type of levels, as well as the two VWAPs. So right now I have a what do I have here? Let me take this out because maybe that's what I'm looking at. We're just going up and down here right now on the RTH VWAP there. So this is what we're looking at now. We're going down, basically downtrend, trying to determine where they're trying to take it. As you can see, we're in a range right now between the +1 on the RTH, the +1, and the -2 deviation. So it looks like we're headed down. We're below both VWAPs right now. So that's where it looks like it's going to be headed. And let me see. So far I've traded, and I think the last time we talked, I had it in overnight trade. And so far, this one is what my results are so far. When I last talked to you guys, I think it was right here. I was at, I believe, 7.5, right? 437, yeah, around there. Or was it 13? Well, anyways, yeah, I did two trades. One there at 7, then all of a sudden here at 454, right? I think. I gotta look at but anyways, I traded and I ended up with 13. Now I'm here. I'm now up at 19.25 points. That's enough for me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be trading 2 contracts against scalping. Again, since I'm trading 2 contracts, my goal is basically between 2 points, right? Between 2 to 4 points, if I can get that. So we'll see. So this is just basically, I wanted to show you that chart there, where how it's bouncing off this. Now we're approaching the VWAP here. Most likely it's going to bounce off there as well. Again, we shall see how that's going to react. Right now we're more like on a downtrend, more of a bias towards the shorts because we're below both the VWAPs right now. So let's see how that's going to react in this VWAP right here. If it's going to bounce down, we shall see. So that's what the macro view of the market is. This is more the micro view right here. And this is what most of my students see. This is what they see, the setup. So let's go with this right now. You'll see how my entries are. But I'm trading 2 contracts, like I said. Looks like this is it up for the VWAP or the ETH VWAP. We'll see what happens here. So let me put this on pause, and we'll see what if we can get a valid, nice, high probability setup here. Again, um, I'm just, what am I going to? I'm scalping six ticks. That's it. If I can do that consistently, usually build my account. So again, my goal is right now with two contracts, at the most maybe 4 points. Okay. So I put this in mute, and we'll seek out a nice entry here.
Order submitted. Order filled.
That was a fast mover. I was able to get that one. Right out, a bounce off from the other VWAP going up. So nice scalp there.
Order submitted. Order filled.
So with that, I am finished for the day. Total of, for that session right there, remember I was at 19.25, right? You can see here by the time. Entry price, and where's the time here? Right there. So right here, so I was at, I believe, 19, right? So right here, 10 or 18, that's where I started. I've gained, so I'm up 26. I gained more than 7 points, right? Yeah, 1925, 7 points. My goal was at 4, and you can see how it went up. I could have got more. I was going to say my target was really going to be up. Well, I'm looking at the view apps. That's why would have been my target would have been at least a +1 deviation, and that's where it's headed right now. So, like I said, I am done for the day. Again, 26.25 points, and of course, I had some losses here, but minimized really at the most. I was able to minimize it. So, with that said, I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Again, 7 points made just in that entry right there, just scalping two trades, scalping six ticks and 8 ticks each with a volatility. That's why I had 8 ticks. But on that, I should be talking to you guys tomorrow. Again, this is the legacy strategy that I teach. We have the basic entries, and that's what I teach with the Gold Master course. It's a 3-month course. Gold Mastermind course, and I also trade. When you get used to trading the entries that I teach, then you can look at I teach the more advanced strategies that I've been trading here. It loads up in your arsenal as to not only the profitable and very consistent setups that I teach, the basic setups, and also the advanced strategies also add to the arsenal. Very consistent, especially now when I'm only scalping 6 ticks at a time. And most of the institutional traders, when you talk to an institutional trader, their target is usually 3 ticks. That's it. You know why? Because they're trading 500 contracts to 1,000 contracts. That's what they trade. So can you imagine only 3 ticks, but on 500 contracts? That's a lot of money. And they do that in and out every day. Every day, that's how they do it. That's how they make money. So I took that principle of basically scalping, but scalping 3 points or 3 ticks would not be worth my while with the amount of the number of contracts I trade between. Right now, I've been trading 4 contracts. So I did it at maybe 6 ticks, and that's very, very profitable. We have a lot higher win rate. At the same time, you have a very consistent profitability. You don't have to do maybe 3 trades and that's it. Like this one, I kind of went overboard, but I just wanted to show you can do different sessions. You can do depending on how many contracts you do, just six ticks, do 2 or 3 trades, you're done for the day, and slowly build your account consistently, and that's what it is. I'm not trying to teach anyone to make $1 million or 1 million pesos in 1 month. No, you build it slowly, and that's what God said. The best way to build and invest is basically do it slowly. So, like I said, you did 2 or 3 trades a day. You slowly, consistently build up your account, and that's what happens. Consistency brings in the money. It's not the other way around, where a lot of people say that you kind of figure, oh, I'm going to make $500, whatever, or $200 today. No, it depends on what the market gives you. But if you're consistent, knowing where to place the trades, your account will grow. The money will come, but it will be consistency. You'll build the account slowly, depending if you start off with a small account, and just doing this consistently will build your account for sure. So, anyways, enough of my lecture. I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow's Thursday, and again, if I have any, if I'm around my computer, which I am, since I do a lot of work on my computer, I will live stream if I see a nice setup. Okay. Enjoy the rest of your evening and stay safe. And as always, God bless. Take care. Bye bye.